Case 11, Multiple Sclerosis. Bonifacio Calvero versus the Employees Compensation Commission and the Government Service Insurance System. GR number L52059, September 30, 1982. First Division, per Justice Makasiar. Facts. Calvero worked as a classroom teacher, then as district supervisor in Dagupan. Suffered ailment of multiple sclerosis started in June 12, 1971 as hotness and heaviness in the sole of her feet after attending Independence Day Parade. This worsened to difficulty in locomotion with stiffness, numbness, tingling, and continuous hot sensation from the soles up to the waist. He retired and then filed for disability benefits under PD 626 as amended with GSIS. GSIS denied her claim. The ECC, or the Employees Compensation Commission, sustained the GSIS. The issue in this case is whether Calvero's disease, multiple sclerosis, is work-related and compensable. The Supreme Court ruled yes. It is indubitable that by the very nature of her work, she was easily subjected to physical, mental, and emotional strains, not to mention her occasional exposure to natural elements as rain, dust, cold, and heat of the sun, especially during her visitations of 5 elementary schools under her jurisdiction as district school supervisor, thus making her susceptible to contracting her ailment. The fact that the cause of multiple sclerosis is unknown, as admitted by respondent, Employees Compensation Commission and GSIS, is of no moment and will not impair the grant of disability benefits to herein petitioner, because even when the cause of ailment is unknown, as long as it occurs during employment, the presumption of compensability exists. Supreme Court ruled the giving of 6,000 disability compensation plus reimbursement for medical and hospital expenses. The lesson here is that stress can aggravate multiple sclerosis, and that, the Supreme Court affirmed the fact that stress can aggravate multiple sclerosis and that the cause of multiple sclerosis is unknown. But if it occurs during one's employment and she was able to prove work and the disease connection, that's why her disability was compensated. In this case, the Employees Compensation Commission cites the Merck Manual. Multiple sclerosis is a chronic, slowly progressive disease of the central nervous system, characterized pathologically by disseminated patches of demyelination in the brain and spinal cord, and clinically by multiple symptoms and signs by remissions and exacerbations. The cause of multiple sclerosis is unknown. The disease has been attributed variously to infection by a spirochete or a virus, toxic factors such as myelin-splitting ferment in the blood, trauma, allergy, and vascular lesions as a result of an abnormal blood clotting mechanism. The sex is pre-affected about equally. In 2/3 of cases, onset of symptoms occurs between the ages 20 and 40. Multiple sclerosis is rare in warm climates. Light, EC, the Merck Manual of Diagnosis and Therapy, in J, 11th edition, pages 1072-1073. In case of doubt in the implementation and interpretation of the provisions of the Labor Code, including its implementing rules and regulation, the same shall be resolved in favor of the laborer. Article 4 Labor Code, as well as Article 1702 of the new Civil Code. The unauthorized use and reproduction of this work will be prosecuted under the Intellectual Property Code and other laws.